This is how fresh red sauce pasta is made.
It all starts on a peaceful farm.
Tiny tomato seeds are planted into rich soil.
Warm sunlight and fresh water help them grow.
Soon, bright red tomatoes appear on the vines.
Carefully picks the tomatoes by hand.
Washed clean with fresh water.
Then chop tomatoes into juicy pieces.
Now blend the chopped tomatoes. Next comes garlic, fresh basil, herbs, and olive oil. Everything slowly cooks together into a rich homemade sauce.
The sauce simmers gently, then gets poured over hot pasta.
Fresh from the farm, straight to the table.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more cozy farm recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.